A pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome to the Food for Life Lessons from the Garden Academic Conference, where we talk about the whole essence of food.
We have participants from all over the Visayas because we aim to be as inclusive as we can be to celebrate and talk about the different kinds of cuisine that we have, their origins, their ways of production, and also how we can enrich the community, because especially the teaching demos are meant not only for the teachers. There are actually teaching demos that focus on the classroom, but there are also teaching demos that focus on actual food production.
How do simple pork rinds and back fat become the crunchy and savory chicharron we know and love? Let's find out. First, pork rinds and back fats are boiled with water, seasoned with salt inside a large cauldron for roughly 2.5 hours. Once done boiling, the meat is cut into appropriate serving sizes. Again, it is boiled in water at medium heat to strip the meat of its inherent oils. After that, the pork is then marinated and seasoned with a mixture of spices, which may include salt, garlic powder, and pepper. The specific blend of spices included can vary from one chicharron maker to another. After seasoning the meat strips, they are now ready to be deep fried inside large cauldrons full of oil until golden brown and crispy. And once they are cooked, they are then allowed to drain to remove the excess oil and allow them to cool for packaging.
Attending this event, Food for Life Lessons Conference, is a very challenging and grateful experience. This is my first time attending this conference, and to explore something of food, a beverage, culture of Cebuano, and all of the stuff in Visayan region specifically makes me want to come back to cooking even if I'm very busy.
So very thankful for NCCA and to Dr. Hope Yu for this opportunity.
NCCA has also provided an online platform for all these presentations to be made available. So, for those of you who were not able to come, you have something to look forward to.
Hopefully, we will not wait anymore that our food tradition and practice can be taken from us. We do not wait anymore to be stressed, just like the mango tree, in order to protect our food and identity.
Sa panahon ng environmental crisis, dapat na rin sigurong idiskurso ng mga manunulat ang issue ng food security. Sa ganitong paraan, lalong magiging makabuluhan ang literatura na hindi lamang bubusog sa kaluluwa, pati na rin sa ating katawang lupa.
My Food for Life experience was very enlightening. Indeed, I will be going home with more knowledge than when I arrived during the first day of the conference. So I hope that this won't be the last, because the conference holds a lot of possibilities for us to take the initiative to actually feed Cebu, to feed the Visayas.
I really enjoyed the insights the insights can be found with food, especially in Filipino culture, and how it can really bring about some unexpected parallels. It's a real avenue of creativity.
So throughout the whole session, I realized that food is more than just what makes you healthy. It is also something that what defines you as a person and your identity.
I thank our keynote speakers. I also thank most especially our scholars here and educators who participated in this conference, and most importantly shared their valuable researches and teaching modules to enrich our classroom and teaching practices for sustainable living. I hope that you have enjoyed this conference and will savor the learnings enough to write your own gustatory experiences.
Food for Life Lessons from the Garden.